What's happening, everyone? Happy Saturday. Hope everybody had a Merry Christmas. I know it's been a while since I did a video, but we are warm out here today. We even got the bees hanging around the broccoli there, getting the flowers. Yeah, so I'm going to work out today. Right now it's about 65 degrees. Warmest day we've had in a little while. So I'm going to do some stuff out here in the garden, right? I know I said a couple of weeks ago that I was going to come out and pull everything. There's the garlic. Garlic's doing pretty well. So yeah, so today is cleanup day. I'm going to pull all of my old stuff and start getting some of the dirt ready for new stuff. Part of what I'm going to do also is I'm going to cut these here, right? This will still be about a foot. I got some weeds here. I got to pull that out of there. I'm going to cut these, all three of these, about a foot here, right up underneath this one. I'm going to go buy some new fence boards. So that way, instead of 3 wooden ones, I'm going to have 6 to go along with the 5 metal raised beds that I have. So I'm really gonna have a lot more space to plant some more stuff. I just got some new seeds that I bought from Burpee. Those came in the mail yesterday. So yeah, we're gonna start getting the garden ready. It is December 28th. So here in about a month, I'm probably going to start planting in the house. I got some small little starters. I got dog hair all over me. Some starters that I'll plant in the house, you know, and hopefully by, I don't know, end of February, I can put them in some bigger planters. And then the end of March, after our last freeze, I can put them out here in the garden. So, I mean, I'm only a month away from getting started again. I know I was gonna do some videos on some prep stuff, some prepping stuff, and I still want to do that. I want to talk about my solar setup because I've made a lot of changes, bought a lot of things since my last solar video. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do today. It's time to clean up the garden and start getting ready. Since I have a nice day, it's 65 today, it's gonna be 70 tomorrow. So I got a little bit of time here the next couple of days to clean up and start getting ready. I'm excited to start getting ready for the next planting season, gardening season, whatever the case may be. If you remember, if you've been following my videos at all, last year was my first time planting, gardening, stuff like that. I made a lot of mistakes that I learned from, hopefully that I learned from. We'll see this year. But I got a lot of tomatoes, different types of tomatoes that I want to plant this year. Some different squashes. I'm going to go with the watermelon again. Going to go with the cantaloupe again. And of course, a lot of herbs. Cilantro, love cilantro. We like to make salsa. My wife makes some fantastic salsa, so we need the cilantro, some onions. Yeah, I got some big plans for this planting season. So we'll see how it goes. Appreciate you stopping by. Do me a favor, hit the like button, hit the follow button, whatever platform. I'm going to put this on a couple of platforms. Yeah, do the things. I appreciate y'all, and be good to each other.